Well, there's been some speculation lately about federal cuts to SNAP benefits. Today, Colorado Senator Michael Bennet held a virtual roundtable discussing the issue, Republican dangers to SNAP. Our Kyle Kawamoto is in attendance and has more, joining us live in the studio. Kyle.
Thanks, Bernie. As the availability of SNAP benefits are on the minds of many food insecure Americans, how would it affect the Western Slope? I was able to speak with representatives from a state senator and officials from the Department of Human Services.
Hope for the smaller cut. It would be better, if we had to take one and not the other.
Communities around Colorado are on their toes regarding the outcome of possible SNAP benefit cuts. On Thursday, Senator Michael Bennet held a virtual roundtable with community members around the Centennial State, talking about how the cuts could affect Colorado.
As I said earlier, it's going to be on the receiving end of this unfunded mandate.
Bennet says the president passed the bill in the House with a 1-majority vote, needing 51 Senate votes.
I don't know what the choices that he's going to be able to assemble to get that majority vote.
We reached out to the Mesa County Department of Human Services, and the Economic Assistance Director, Melissa Shireland, sent us a statement saying, "This is pending federal legislation, and no changes to the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program has been finalized. We are closely monitoring the situation. If the program changes, we will communicate directly with our clients to ensure they receive clear guidance and support. Our priority remains helping families meet their basic needs and access the resources they rely on."
It has been a successful program. Over the years, it has lifted over 70,000 people out of the poverty line.
State Senator Rich says it's been reported that 9.9% of Coloradans use the SNAP program in the state. Meanwhile, we reached out to the Colorado Department of Human Services about how these cuts could affect the rest of the state. A representative sent us a statement saying in part, quote, "As of March 2025, approximately 334,000 Colorado households and 617,000 people receive monthly benefits. In 2024, almost 1 million individual Coloradans received SNAP, half of whom were children, 10% of whom were older Americans, and 15% of whom were Americans with disabilities. Minimizing food insecurity has positive impacts, including increased physical and mental health," end quote. Now, both the Mesa County Department of Human Services and the state are watching the pending federal legislation. We'll keep you updated once more information becomes available to us. Bernie, back to you at the desk.
All right, thanks, Kyle.